So we're going to be putting in the Maxx fan, the Maxx Air Fan, because summertime we've camped back here and it's gotten pretty hot. And supposedly these things are made for RVs, so it should keep our little truck camper really cool. So I'll kind of give you an idea of how we put this in. So this is the hole that I cut out. It's 14 by 14. Had to go up on top, and I'll kind of show you what we did up there. But I basically just laid the template. Took that that little bracket there, laid it up on top, and took a pencil and drew it out. And cut it out with a jigsaw. So what we're going to do is put that on top of that. Take a drill and drill bit, drill some pilot holes, and then put some of these number 10 3/4 screws in it. Then put some caulk on it, die-core self-leveling, and that should get it. So because there's a little ridge right here, I put it as far forward as I could where it wouldn't hit this, because these are permanently mounted. There's no flexibility in where it is located. But I doubled up on the butyl tape on each side to make up for this ridge. Hopefully it'll seal. I guess we'll find out after the first hard rain. So now we'll come back over and put the die-core caulk around the edges and on each screw head, and hopefully that'll get it. I hope the self-leveling part levels it out a lot nicer than I put it on, that's for sure. Supposedly this stuff skins over within 5 minutes. Dogs are guarding the castle. Not a dang thing around. They just come out firing. Anyway, this stuff skins over in like 5 minutes. It's supposed to be waterproof after like, I don't know what it said, a couple hours or something, 40 minutes maybe. And then completely cured in like 24 hours. So I'm impatient. I'm getting tired of climbing up on top of this truck. So we're putting this puppy in. Let's go over it. Yeah, over it, I guess. Right? Oh, I knew I'd do that. I knew I'd do it. Does it go on the inside? Done it again. This is what happens when impatience gets the best of you. It's been my curse ever since I was born. I've had it. Praise the Lord. Now I know why no one does a step-by-step video on this. Because they didn't want to, you know, be cussing on the video and all that good stuff. Like I've been doing. And as usual, I've got caulk over everything. I'll just take this little spot and just rub it all over and make the spot 7 times bigger. Welcome to my world. So, yeah, fan looks good. How come it's like white and black? Well, it came black. It was white and black when I got done caulking it. Look at that. What was a 2-inch spot is now about a foot long and all over it. I'll just have to put some alcohol or something on it after I drink half of it. All right, one more piece. Put the inside flange on, 4 screws, and this project's done, with the exception of the wiring, which I hope is not a big deal, but it'll probably be a much bigger deal. Okay. There she is. Let's put the flange in. Okay, I think I'm gonna run this wire around this inside and come out here, that way I can go straight there and around and down. So let's just take this off. Okay, we'll just run this. Oh look, I got caulk on the wires. Shocker. Run this around here. I need a little flathead screwdriver or something to push that up in there. I'll be looking at my short. About right there. That'll work. All right. What do you think? How come it doesn't suck it up in there? Let's do a little shorter screw. It does. Now that I got it getting stripped out. Not too bad. And all I have to do is turn this crank and that closes it. You don't need a remote control. I mean, good gracious. It's easy as can be to turn. I probably just lowered it on all the way down in that caulk. All right, there it is. We'll go outside and check it out.